So you're looking for mass flow sensors. Let me show you what sensors we don't make. We don't make sensors for cars that go inside of cars and trucks. We designed these for Bosch, and now they're used in almost every car on the market. They use the transfer function Q equals HA TH minus TC, or Q equals HA delta T. A is the area, H is the forced thermal heat transfer rate, and Q is the measure of the energy, and all of these are done with a little thermal flow sensor, very similar to the sensors we sell. So I'm going to show you how ours work. Ours use the transfer function equals Q equals m dot C sub P delta T. And it's a little tiny hypodermic needle. Here's a hypodermic needle in parallel with many other hypodermic needles. We measure the flow through the single hypodermic needle and infer the flow rate through the entire system by calibrating it against a primary standard. These are the same sensors used in the semiconductor industry. These sensors, imagine you may be looking to build your own mass flow meter. Sierra has already built these mass flow meters. You're in for quite a challenge if you want to build these. These are OEM meters that can be used in applications for research and development, and OEM integrated into products. They have this sensor that's the $3,000 sensor used in Sierra's high-end sensors in these in the more economical range. So I'm going to show you the main page where you can take a look at these sensors, and I'll give you an overview of what they do. This is a mass flow meter with display. You can see mass flow meter with display, and the lower ones have no display. These are ideally suited for OEMs. The prices that are shown can be negotiated by calling on the phone. I give OEM prices. The phone number, I'll put it right here in case you're not seeing this email, 888-252-0007. My name's Dave Corpy. Call during Pacific time. I can show you how to apply and integrate any of these flow meters in your product, or how to use them on the process you may be measuring. You may be trying to control the flow rate of hydrogen into a fuel cell, or measuring CO2 into a bioreactor. These flow meters and flow controllers are used for all of those purposes. So you've been looking for a mass flow sensor, and what I'm here to tell you is that we have integrated a mass flow sensor into a body and the electronics that allows you to use it as a mass flow meter. It's done at the lowest cost you can get. These are also part of the challenge of measuring flow, is calibrating them. All of these are calibrated with primary standards, not secondary standards. Primary standards, the uncertainty level or accuracy is 0.2%, and the 4-to-1 rule is 4 times 0.2 is 0.8. If you use this meter as a transfer standard, a 0.8% device, to calibrate another, that's 3.2%. Most of our competitors calibrate everything with transfer standards. Therefore, they cannot say that the uncertainty level or the accuracy is 1%. It's 3.2. 8 times 0.4 is 3.2. So Sierra is a strange company and unique that we calibrate with primary standards. That's because, as the developer of Sierra, I'm the engineer with the patents on this. I designed a primary standard that Sierra used to sell called the CalBench, and that's used in most of the standards labs, and Swiss standards labs, NIST, and most of the large companies have that as a primary standard. So if you happen to be viewing this on YouTube, double click the video, and on the lower left, right down here, you'll see the little blue link. Click on the link, it'll bring you to this website. Here's the phone number, and at the very bottom of the website is the email address. Double click this. Here's the phone number locally for Pacific Grove, California. So thanks for watching, and good luck with your mass flow sensing. Bye-bye.